Okay, what you got the answer, Neha?
Ma'am, negative 131.
Negative 139. That's the answer. Okay.
Ma'am, I get those type of sums wrong.
Okay. So now you
Oh,
know how to do those sums.
yes,
Just whenever you have two numbers with the same sign, okay, always check the sign. Whenever they are with the same sign, then you will do plus. You will
okay,
add both the numbers and put sign of the greater number.
yes,
How will you choose the greater number? Among your two numbers, your 77 was the greater number. You will not, when you are choosing the greater number, that time you will not see the sign.
yes,
Okay? That time you will not see the sign. You will ignore the sign and just see the number. Whichever is the greater number, just put that sign.
yes.
Right? Okay. Adya, why your video is off? So, Adya, where were you all these days? I was missing you. Yes,
Ma'am, I was out of station.
okay. So, you were not able to do the online class? Why?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Why?
Ma'am, because we are in out of station, ma'am.
Okay. So, now you have come back? Okay. So, now be regular in your classes. Okay. I was missing you all these days. I was wondering where Adya went without telling me. Okay. So if you are going on a long holidays, you tell me. Okay. So that I don't miss you. Okay. So we were doing integers, right? So Adya, you can just go through the videos that you have missed. Okay. You can go through the videos that you have missed, right? And if you find any difficulty, you can reach me. You can reach me if you find any difficulty. Okay. Okay, let's do more sums on this. Okay, children, let's see. Today we'll do some of the sums of integers, and I'll be introducing the next chapter to you. Okay, some questions from integers and the introduction of the new chapter, just the introduction of the new chapter. Okay, right? This is our plan for today. But still, if you want that we should do more practice on integers, then definitely we'll do that also. Okay, if you feel so. Okay. So let's take some questions.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, yes.
can you share the corrected papers of my assessment?
Of your test.
Yes, ma'am. Like my parents want to see it.
Who wants to see?
My parents.
Okay, okay. I'll show you.
No, ma'am, like, can you WhatsApp me the paper?
WhatsApp.
Yes, ma'am.
WhatsApp. If they can see here, I'm showing you now. Where is the paper? Can they see now? If I open the test,
Ma'am, they're not available.
they are not available. So I'll show you in the next class. Tomorrow also we have a class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is there near to you?
Ma'am, like, both of them are in a meeting.
Who is there near to you?
Ma'am, no one.
No one.
Mm.
Mom, dad, no one is there to see the paper.
Ma'am, they are in a meeting.
Okay. So they'll be available when you have class tomorrow.
Many things. I understand.
Because once I can try sending, but otherwise it won't be possible every time. Okay, take the sum. Please note down. Write all the integers between first one is 0 and -4, -5 and 5, -8 and -13. Are there? You also do this? Hello, children, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Why the videos have gone off then? Please do this, start doing. Then you have find the sum of the following integers. So these sums you have done enough practice of this. Find the sum. And the questions are, first one is -8 plus 5 plus -3 plus -2. Okay. The second question is -7 plus -9 plus 4 plus 3. Abhyar, keep your video on. Everyone must keep their videos on. Your video should not go off, okay, while the class is going on. Next question is, Ramesh thinks of an integer. So Abhyar, wherever you don't understand, you can please ask, okay? Ramesh thinks of an integer. He subtracts
Ma'am, can you show me question number 1?
Okay, please note down the parts of it, okay? Note down the 4 parts because then I'll be scrolling up. These are questions only for your practice. Don't think this is not any test. Okay, these are only for your practice, everyone.
Ma'am, you wrote 8 and 9 in the answer blanks for question 2.
Which
Ma'am,
one?
in A and B, you wrote some answers.
In question number, this question number 2,
Yes, ma'am.
we have done this question.
Ma'am, like you wrote some answers in the answer blank.
These answers, no?
Yes, ma'am.
These are the answers I've written. Okay. So just work it out first, then we'll match the answers.
Ma'am, I cannot understand addition and subtraction in integers, ma'am.
Okay. No worries, but beta, I'll explain you. Okay, but I want that you must go through the previous videos first. Okay, so go through the previous videos because it has some sign rule to follow. You are not able to understand in question number 1.
Ma'am, I can understand 1 but not 2, ma'am.
Okay.
Addition and subtraction of integers.
Yes. See here, you have a sign rule. Okay. Whenever you have two signs together, when we multiply positive sign with another positive sign number, we should, whenever we multiply positive and with positive sign, our answer is also a positive number. Whenever we multiply a negative number with a negative number, our answer is always a negative number. Whenever we multiply positive number with negative number, our answer is always negative. Okay. And whichever order it is, negative first or positive afterwards, the answer will be negative. So whenever we have two different signs, our answer will be negative. Whenever we have two same signs, our answer will be positive. Okay. Right? Our answer will be positive. Whenever we have two same signs, our answer will be positive. Whenever we have two different signs, positive and negative, then our answer will be negative. So this sign rule you have to remember. Okay, without this, you will not be able to do these. So I'll just explain you this. -8 plus 5 plus -3 plus -2. Now, the others are writing now. Children, have you noted down this? Have you noted down question 1 and question 2?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Yes, can I scroll up now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in this case, what do you do, Adya? This is -8. When you have, I said, when you have two plus signs together, you always add. Okay, when you have two same signs together. So you drop down -8 as it is. Now you have two same signs together. So you will make these two signs to one sign. Plus into plus will be plus only. Yes. Plus into plus will be plus only. Just now I told you about sign rule. Yes or no?
Ma'am, minus plus minus is minus.
Minus plus minus is minus only. When two different signs are there, it's minus. So when two same signs are there, it's plus. Okay. So now here we have plus into minus. Two different signs are there, plus is multiplying with minus sign. So yeah, that means it's minus. Plus into minus will be minus. Plus into minus will be -2. Did you understand this part? Did you understand this part?
Ma'am, it's confusing, ma'am.
So please go through the previous videos first, okay? Go through the previous videos. Don't do this sum now then. Because you have missed so many classes, no? Although you joined late and after that also you have missed the classes. So please go through the videos.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I didn't understand question 3.
Question 3 I am writing now. Ramesh thinks of an integer. He subtracts 12 from it and gets.
Ma'am, I will copy the questions, ma'am.
Yes, you can do that. And if you are able to do any of the questions, you can do that also. But please for sure, go through the videos because you have missed so many classes. So please go through the videos. He understands, he subtracts 12 from it and gets the result. Gets the result as -6. What was the integer? Oh, what was the integer he thought of? Okay. Now see children, look here. This is the statement sum. Please look here, I'll help you so that you can do other sums. Please pay attention. Bhavesh, Neha, Abhya. Now see, it's written here, Ramesh thinks of an integer. He subtracts 12 from it. Now Ramesh thinks of an integer. Okay, whatever number he thinks of. Then he subtracts 12 from it. Okay. And he gets the result as -6. And he gets the answer as -6. So this is how your statement will become. He thinks of some number. I've kept the bracket empty. Okay. He thinks of some number and he subtracts 12 from that number. And the answer is -6. So how will we find the number what he thought of? So let's keep the number here only. Now this you have -12. Now 12 is subtracting here. And when we take it on the other side of equal to sign, what happens? The sign always changes. Okay. Minus sign will become plus sign, plus becomes minus, multiply becomes divide, divide becomes multiply. Right? So plus always changes to minus and minus always changes to plus. So when I take 12 on the other side of equal to sign, then what happens? -6 is already there. So the sign of 12 will change to +12. Okay? You got this, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Understood this much? This, Bhavish? Okay, so now you have +12 this side and -6 was already there. So now you can see you have two numbers with different signs now. Is it? You have two numbers with different signs. Now what will you do here, Neha?
Ma'am, we subtract.
Subtract. What will you get here?
Ma'am, 6.
6. And sign of
The bigger one.
bigger number. So that's plus. So we need not write plus. Even if we write, it won't make any difference. Okay. So the number that he thought of is +6. Right? Number which Ramesh thought of is 6. So if you want to check our answer, we can do like this. To check the answer, in place of this bracket, the number that Ramesh was thinking is 6. So 6 minus 12, is it -6? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
-6. Okay. Right? So that means our answer is correct. This is, we have even checked our answer. How do we check our answer? Like this. Understood this, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's take some more questions. Okay, this is now next question. Determine. Determine means to find out. Okay. Now you have mod of 5 minus mod of minus 3. What is mod? Bhavesh will tell me. Yes,
What?
please. What is this mod?
Which one?
I'm putting this mod sign, no? What do you know about this
And
mod?
we call it absolute value. Absolute value.
Yes? Say it
And we
again.
call it absolute value.
Yes, it's absolute value. But what does it mean?
And when we keep that lines in between a number, it becomes the opposite of it. Like
See,
editing.
whatever is there, number is there in this mod sign, it always comes out positive. Is it? Modulus, the absolute value. But what it is actually, it is the distance from the point 0 on the number line. Okay, suppose you have this number line and I have 5 here and I have minus 3 here. So mod of minus 3 will be 3 only. Mod of 5 will be 5 only. Why? Because this is the distance of this number 5 from the 0 point. Okay. And similarly, mod of minus 3 will be 3 only. Why it will be 3? Because it is the distance from point O to point minus 3. So distance is never 0 or negative. Okay. Are you understanding this?
Yes, ma'am.
Distance is not 0 or positive or negative. It's always positive only, not negative and 0. So it is actually the distance. This mod tells us the distance of this number from the point O, 0, origin, 0.
Yes, ma'am.
And whatever numbers it is there in this magic sticks, it always
One will
comes
become positive.
because it is a distance. That's why it comes out positive. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Ma'am,
mod of
and if we keep a negative number inside it, it will become positive. And
even if
if
you
we,
keep any even if you keep any negative integer inside, it will come out positive. Okay.
ma'am, for positive integers, it will become
It
negative.
will be for no, for positive integers, it will be positive only. Okay. See here, in this first part, we have 5 as a positive number here inside, and we have 3 as negative number inside. This is what you are asking me now, no? So 5 will, mod of 5 can be written as 5. So 5 came out positive 5. Then you have this middle sign, minus. This is for none of the numbers. This is here, like this. Minus mod of minus 3. Now mod of minus 3 will be, minus 3 will come out
Ma'am,
positive 3.
now it will become positive.
Positive 3. So now it is 5 minus 3, which is equals to 2. Yes?
Okay.
Now similarly, you can see here mod of 5 minus 6. Now first, as we always solve the bracket part first. So whatever we have inside this modulus sign, we will solve that first. Okay? Yes, Neha is there? Hello, Neha is there? So whatever we have inside this modulus sign, this will come out positive. So 5 minus 6 is minus 1. Is it? Yes,
Yes,
Navish? So
Yes,
that
ma'am.
means we want mod of minus 1 now. All right. And this mod sign is, we will just write as it is. Okay. We will not do anything now because we want both of them to be at the same level. So mod of minus 1 is now, what is the mod of minus 1?
1 plus 1.
Plus 1. Then you have a plus sign here. Then again mod of minus 1 is
1 plus 1.
plus 1. So this becomes 2. Okay, Bhavish?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Try the next one now. Oh, I'm so sorry. One second. Huh? So, Adya, are you able to understand? Adya, are you able to understand?
Ma'am, it's confusing, ma'am.
Okay. So, you should see the videos first. Were you not doing your homework, Adya? You were given homework also. You said you were not able to attend the classes, but homework at least you would have tried.
Ma'am, I only understand about greater integers, ma'am. Greater and negative and positive integers.
But then I was giving regular homework. No, you must not miss. You must try something.
I tried, ma'am. I will do tomorrow, but I have tried, but it's not working, ma'am.
Not now, I'm saying. I'm telling the previous homework.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not
Previously,
saying
I have tried them all.
okay. Okay, do this, children.
I
Neha,
will
are
see
you
it
back?
answer minus 4.
Okay, that's minus 4. So this is minus 7 plus,
And
and
then
we will come out positive. Okay, so
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is
So
minus.
plus minus with the difference is 4. So
Okay, what is
we
the
add
next
the
one?
big number sign.
And try to understand now, Adya. Okay, listen carefully and try to understand.
Okay, ma'am.
Screen minimize the
Mom, I'm back.
Okay, beta. So now see, please do these questions, Neha. These are modulus signs. So plus sign will be plus only. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then you have in the middle plus sign here. Then mod of minus 12. Mod of minus 12 will be
12.
12. So 5 plus 12 will be
17.
17.
I have done the questions, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Okay, now this is question number 5. Now here you have to compare. How do you compare?
Mom, by putting
Using
greater
greater, yes, very good. Using greater, lesser, and equal to signs. Okay, you will put the right sign.
Can I see?
Yes.
We can say if a integer is bigger,
Yes.
like seeing the sign plus or minus. If the negative, if one is a negative number and another one is a positive number, we can say positive number is bigger. So because it is on the right side of the.
Yes. So whichever number is to the right side, that is the greater number. Okay. Even if you get both numbers negative, but then also you will see whichever number is towards the right side, that is the greater number. Oh, I'm just searching for the question. Where is the question gone? Okay. -10, -2, then again there is -100 and positive 100. Then there is 2 and minus of 2. Now this is another one. Put them in increasing order. Arrange in increasing order. Increasing means from smaller number to bigger number. Increase in arrange in increasing order. Now your number is like this: -3, 0, -6, 5, -4, 6, 3, -8. Okay. Okay, what is mod 0?
Mom, it's 0.
0. Okay, value of mod 0 will be 0 only. Okay, if I tell you the additive inverse of -13, mod of -13, then what is the additive inverse of this?
Mom, 30.
See here, additive inverse, when -3 is in the modulus sign, this will come out positive. Yes. So, and now additive inverse of 13 will be what? When you add the inverse of the number like this, -13. Okay? Okay, beta? Good, Neha. Neha said -13 only, no? Okay, what is the successor of -7?
Mom,
Successor of -7. Successor means whatever you
Can I see?
you add one number to the given number. So that is the successor. Okay. Predecessor means you subtract one from the given number. So Bhavesh, what is the successor of -7?
The successor of -7 is -6.
-6. Okay. So because when we add one here, so this will become -6. Okay. What is the predecessor of 6? What is the predecessor of 6? Yes. Yes, Neha?
Mom, 5.
5. Okay. Predecessor means 5. Previous number. Okay. So you know the concept of additive inverse. You know the concept of predecessor, successor. increasing order, decreasing order of integers, you know, how to find numbers, integers between two given integers, okay? How many number integers lies between two given integers? If you are asked, you can say that. Okay, then we did some questions also, greater, lesser also, you know, right? And addition of integers, subtraction of integers, right, children? This is all that you have in your integers chapter. In your class 6th grade, you have addition and subtraction of integers mainly. The multiplication and divide part comes in class 7th. Okay. So in this class, you have only addition and subtraction of integers. So now you know all this, you know all the concepts. The only thing is that you need to practice more and more and more. So whatever worksheets I'm giving you, so many sums, you must do them. Right?
Ma'am, can you scroll up?
Scroll up.
Until the. Yes.
Okay.
I'm done. I'm done.
Okay. So this much for today, children. Okay. I'll give you homework worksheets also later. Right? So please practice that. Okay. And don't be confused in whatever you are doing. Do it firmly. Always remember the sign rule, Neha. Okay. When two numbers with same sign are there, you always add them. Okay. And even if you multiply them minus into minus, if you are doing when two signs exactly comes together. So when you multiply them, then also the sign rule follows. Okay. Like this, if I'm saying, if two numbers come like this, -3 and -2, sorry, plus and -2. If it comes like this, then also plus into minus will become minus.
Minus.
Okay, and even if you get like this -3 and -4, if you get two numbers with the same or different sign, then also what do? When you have two same signs, you add the numbers. So it becomes 7 and you put the sign of the greater number. Right? The sign rule follows for both type of sums. Okay, even if the signs are like this, or even if the signs are like this. Right, Neha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, copied this. Have all done this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So thank you for today.
Thank you,
Please
ma'am. Have a
practice
good
the
day.
sums. Okay, beta. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good
Adya, you must watch the previous videos, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Haan. Okay, beta. Thank you.